Ready? Welcome to Rachel Ray's Kitchen. Today's recipe is...
Popsicles.
Okay, tell us how to make them.
First, get any kind of juice. Open it up and get an ice tray. Pour the juice in. And fill up the things. Fill it up with juice. Then put a piece of soil over it. Then get some sticks like these. And poke a stick in each part of the juice. Then put it in the freezer. Then, after you poke the things in the juice, put it in the freezer for about 1 hour until they're like ice. And that's how you make popsicles.
The end.
The end.